This is the Metrolog calibration setup. In order for this to happen, we need a Romulus, the breaking point, the computer, our Metrolog controller, the Metrolog, a ribbon cable to connect the Romulus and breaking point, a 964 Allen wrench, a adjustment tool, and then a copy of a pull-down certificate. So to start off, we are going to make sure that the Metrolog has a 632 threaded pull-down adapter in it, as you can see here. We already have ours screwed in. Then we will remove any platen insert into the adapter of the breaking point platform. We will then plug in the Metrolog with the USB cable here and make sure that the Metrolog controller has both plugins, the power plug-in and the USB plug-in, and we will turn it on. The Romulus will also be turned on from the back there, and then we will be able to open up the diagnostics on the computer. As seen here, you can see that the Romulus is online. And then we'll go ahead and use the ribbon cable to plug in the Romulus into the breaking point. And then the 632 thread gets placed on top of the breaking point there. And then we will use the chuck to tighten it down where it is snug. And then you can lift the Metrolog to make sure that it is on there tight. The Metrolog will just sit on the breaking point. And then we'll go back over to the computer and go down on the motor controller to where the Metrolog is not able to be raised up from the breaking point. Once the Metrolog is snuck onto the breaking point, we will then hit the 0 button on the system diagnostics here, and then we also hit the 0 button on the Metrolog controller. Once both of these are zeroed out, we can now lower the motor controller to 190 to 200 pounds to start our calibration. And then we will let both the system diagnostics and the Metrolog controller stabilize. And once both of these are stabilized, we will compare the values from the system diagnostics here and the Metrolog controller value. And if they are within 0.08%, the system is calibrated, and if not, we will have to open up the bottom of the breaking point platform and adjust one of the pots. I think that's it.